Beast here doing another stereo install today. Today we're putting a single DIN radio in this location, keeping the factory screen and controls up here. Today this is a Nissan Maxima. In this video we're going to go ahead and actually replace this whole fascia here with a kit allowing us to install our single DIN radio. We're installing a Sony Bluetooth multimedia unit. We're going to show you how this all goes in. We're going to show you how to wire up the radio, remove this old stereo, and install our new one. Now, some of the parts that you'll need here, of course, is your chosen radio. We got our wiring harness, and this time we're using the Crux SWR-NS-63T radio replacement. Besides your wiring harness adapter for our new radio, this also retains factory steering wheel controls. We need an antenna adapter, as well as our dash kit. Now this dash kit, since it's replacing that whole fascia here, as you can see, it's a large piece and it's painted to match the actual interior color. So what we're going to do is we're going to unbox this guy. We're going to go ahead and wire that up to our new harness for our radio, get our little kit put together, and head to the car. Alright, so first things first here, we're going to get everything prepared. Here's our wiring harness. Go ahead and check out this unboxing. But basically this kit, this Crux kit, will retain the steering wheel controls and provide us our harness connections and wiring. This little harness came from our Sony radio. You can also check out this unboxing as well. We're going to mate these up. We're going to pair them up, matching colors using butt connectors. We're going to strip the wires, make it look nice. And then these will be our steering wheel control plugs as well. So we're going to go ahead and get these all mated up, stripped, crimped, and we'll show you from that point. Alright, here we are in the car. What we're going to do is remove this lower plate here. And then once this lower plate's out of the way with the gear shifter, this panel just pops out. We will have to get into also this fascia, and then this whole unit's going to actually come out towards us. Now at this point you can remove the negative off the battery, totally up to you. That is the safer route, so I will leave that up to you. We're going to go ahead and get started. Now the first thing we have to remove is the knob off the gear shifter here. So as that now comes free, we got to get our radio out here, because that's where the new aftermarket one's also going to sit. Now, Phillips here, Phillips here. Phillips here, Phillips here. Now at this point, to be really safe, I'm going to go ahead and remove the negative off the battery. So what I'm doing is I'm going to get this bracket totally out of the way. This will allow me, loosening these Phillips heads, to remove the CD and disc drive, the cassette drive, and they're just Phillips. Try not to strip them, or else you'll have to drill it out. As you can see here, remove those 4 harnesses. They're all pinned differently, so you can't get them backwards. This whole unit is now out. So what we're going to do is we're going to swap these controls to go into our new kit. Now remember, we'll have to swap the clip as well, because our new kit doesn't come with these little metal clips. Got the pocket in. Got our clips on. Now we're going to transfer the pocket. Alright, so we went ahead and connected our wiring harness, a Crux wiring adapter that we put together here on the bench. All three. Now depending on your vehicle, you may use this harness or you may use this harness. In this vehicle, the instructions told us to use this harness, which is harness A. This is harness B, so we won't even use that. I'll just hang off to the side. Everything else is plugged in there. Now these two other harnesses will not be used. At this point, we're good to go. This end plugs into our Sony, this end plugs into the Sony as well. Our dip switches are set, so let's go ahead and get our new radio in. As you can see here, we have put our new radio all together. Let's go ahead and get it hooked up. Alright, at this point we went ahead and connected all the wiring harnesses to our new radio. We've also done it to the HVAC controls, plugged in our steering wheel control connections, and then we put our faceplate here back on. We made sure all our screws were in, basically all reverse order. The last thing here is we're going to pop this in and then put together the gear shift and the trim panel around the shifter. Alright, all back together, just in reverse order. Do a quick test here. Radio boots up. Volume up. Volume down. Just the opposite.
That's 800-652-1538.
Perfect. If you have any questions about this install, just go ahead and post a comment below. Thanks for watching the channel. We'll see you in the next video.